tornado was located over Edinburgh, or 7 miles east of Trenton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Hightstown, Cranberry, Roosevelt, Mercerville, Hamilton Square, Edinburgh, Windsor, Twin Rivers, Clearbrook Park, Princeton Junction, and Concordia. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike near exit 88. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 11 and 12. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 64 and 68. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.